Hey guys, welcome today. Today I want to make a video on how to plug a tire. I just wanted to show you there's a nail in one of these tires. And first things first is if you have, you see that nail right there, right? And if you have a hole, or if you're looking for a hole, one of the things you can do is I take this soap. I just mix up some Dawn soap with water, and you can spray it on the hole, and you can see it bubbling there. And that's how you can tell you got a hole. Of course, we already know there's a nail there, but sometimes when you get a hole, you keep having your tire lose air, you're not sure you know what the problem is. But as you can see there, when you mix up some soap and water, you can easily find the hole. So that's a little trick if you didn't know about that. I know it's a pretty common trick, but not everybody knows about it. But anyways, so that's a good little trick. The other thing is, next thing you got to do is we're gonna take out the nail. Of course, remove the nail, and then you need a tire plug kit, which this is the first tool with a T-handle that we're going to use, and this tool will rough up the rubber and actually enlarge the hole if need be, depending on what's penetrated the tire. And then we're going to use one of these reddish brown plugs. Now, a lot of these cheap kits that you get from Walmart, or they're made in China, they'll come with these black plugs, and you don't want to use those. They're a complete waste of time. They are so cheap. A lot of times they'll just leak. These are the very best, and of course I'll put links for you guys in the description on some of the tools that I use this kit. And this is the second tool we're going to use, and we're going to put the plug through there, and we're going to put the plug in the tire, pull it out. Of course, I'm going to throw this tire away when I'm done. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. The tire is pretty much shot. I'm going to get rid of it, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you how we plug a tire. And also another awesome tool that I use is this electric impact wrench, or impact gun. It's absolutely fantastic. It's super cheap, and it's absolutely fantastic for removing lugs, any kind of stubborn lug nuts and things of that sort. So without further ado, let's get into taking this nail out of the tire. So this nail has been pretty much all the way in the tire, so we're gonna need something really flat, you know, like a little flat head or something like that to kind of work our way in there. So just got this little flathead piece here, and we're just gonna start pulling it around. All right, so I just, guys, make sure that you got your safety glasses on. You only got two eyes, so make sure you protect them. They're not easily replaceable. And I got some needle nose pliers here. I'm just gonna pull this out with. I already got it up a little bit. And then we're gonna put this tool in here, this T-handle tool, and go ahead and rough it up and get it ready for the plug. All right, guys, so we got this T-handle plug in here. We're just gonna rough it up. We're gonna get this tool ready. Already got our plug in there. Of course, the reddish brown plugs. And we're gonna just take this out and plug the tire. Once we get it about halfway in there, we're just gonna pull this out, and it'll rip off. See? Tire's no longer leaking. Then we're going to get our tool. We're gonna get our snip tool. And we're just gonna cut off the excess. Boom. Tire's good as new. Just kidding. That was for demonstration purposes only. Of course, I'm gonna replace this tire. This tire is shot. It's almost to the belts, but for demonstration purposes, that is how you plug a tire. You put the tire back on, of course, pump it up to the recommended PSI as stated on the tire on the sidewall, and yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. Hey guys, hope this video helped you out. I mean, I was trying to do all that with one hand, so it was a little bit more difficult. I'm used to plugging a tire with two arms, two hands, and But anyways, I hope that video helped you out, and that's how you plug a tire. Of course, I'll put all the links where I get all my stuff. Stay away from the black plugs. Like I said, they're garbage. At least that's been in my experience. If you got any questions, comments, please put it in the comment section below. Hope that video helped you out. You guys have an awesome day.